Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I still have to get used to how I want to do the unboxing of these videos, but this is raw content. I received a package from Ana Luisa and I actually opened the package and wore the jewelry already. I just wanted to make sure I liked the quality. It didn't break out my neck, you know. I'm not the type of person to promote something that I genuinely don't like. But y'all, since I opened the box, the necklace, the mama necklace y'all have been seeing me with in my story, I've been wearing my absolute favorite necklace right now. I'm opening the other necklace that I received from them, which is a number 8, and I really wanted this because my birthday is June 8th and 8 is a very powerful number. If you look it up, the meaning behind it is I'm a super meaningful person. And yeah, one of the necklaces that I really wanted. I wanted the mama necklace and I wanted the number 8 necklace. And also my bracelet. I have to go get it. I've been wearing it every day, y'all. Like, it's so cute. I get so many compliments. And what I like about the bracelet is it reminds me of my Michael Kors watch that I wear a lot. But sometimes, or not even sometimes, every time by the end of the night, I end up taking that watch off because my wrist is so small. It starts to hurt. It starts to bother me because it's kind of big on my wrist. Like, the watch fits my wrist perfectly, but it's just uncomfortable. Like, so cute. Y'all know I love me a cute little dainty necklace. This is about to be my second favorite necklace. I always wear this infinity necklace, and honestly it kind of reminds me of the infinity sign. And I know I'm promoting the jewelry, but one thing about me, I'm never going to promote something that I don't genuinely like. I would buy this jewelry myself because I tend to misplace items and I don't like spending a lot of money on things and being attached to it, because I'm a very attached person. Like, I'm a hoarder. I keep things for so long. Girl, I still got my dorm key from freaking college. Like, oh, here's my necklace. I have my dorm key from college. I have my first driver's permit, my first driver's license. Y'all, I have my first smartphone with the charger. Like, I should pull out this box. But yeah, this is the mama necklace. So cute. I've been wearing this like crazy. So I probably wouldn't wear these together just because the lengths are so much. Oh, not really. I lied. Okay, the lengths are perfect. You can make this one of your necklaces smaller and then one of them longer, and they both are very symbolic to me because y'all know I'm a mama first and everything after. Now I just feel like I might as well have a bracelet on also, but I'll show y'all that once I get dressed. But the packaging is bomb. And yeah, so I'm about to do my makeup. So I'm really feeling the clean girl aesthetics. Going to Spelman has really taught me that less is more. Like, when it comes to like makeup, my hair, my looks, like going for a real classy look can just take you a long way. All that makeup, for me, I wear white and neutrals, and I wear black a lot, but I do wear white a lot as well. If you wear makeup a lot, if you have kids and you wear white, you will be dirty immediately. So just learn how to do my makeup. So probably if I knew how to do eyeshadow and all the extra stuff earlier, I would have been on to that. But because I am still learning, I just keep it simple. I keep it safe. I don't really like my makeup to look built up and heavy. I like to still feel like my skin is visible, if that makes sense. I don't like cakey makeup. I don't want to feel like as soon as I touch my face, makeup is everywhere. I don't want to hug somebody and then makeup is all over them. I want my makeup to enhance my features. I don't want to look like a new person. So right now I'm just adding the concealer underneath my eyebrow And I like to blend that in so it looks as natural as possible. Here is the brow tinted gel that I like to use. It's by e.l.f. It's so good. It basically makes your brows stay in place and it blends out the brow so it looks super natural. So here I am making sure it's nice and crisp. I love my brows. This is the concealer I use for my eyebrows. I also place some underneath my eye. This is what makes your eye bright and pop and makes you look so flawless. This is my contour palette. I'm going to use this lightly because I want my makeup to look super natural. So we're going over this with one little swatch. Then I'm going to finish up with some bronzer. I'm going to spray my face with some finishing spray. Okay, this is my soft, subtle makeup, no makeup look. I have to add my lashes, but really, as long as your eyebrows and your skin looks even, I mostly try to focus on the under eye, making sure like my bags, my skin just looks even, clean, and flat, smooth. I wanted to do more of a contour, but honestly, because I'm going for more of a makeup, no makeup look, I just kept it light. But let me show y'all what I did, because we can't have glow without glitter. So I had some highlighter, like glitter highlight, that was almost out, and I'll insert a clip. It was running out and I didn't want to get rid of it, so I mixed it with some olive oil, because you know olive oil is natural. And y'all, the shimmer is beautiful. Like, do y'all see that? Did I say olive oil? I don't know. It's coconut oil. If I say olive oil, forgive me, it's actually coconut oil. And give us some little glow. And then with the oil, when that sun hits, y'all, it goes crazy. I like to put it on my skin first, because if you put it directly on your face, it might drip. Then I hit my nose, because you know, when the sun reflects, you want all the angles to glow. And then finishing touch, you want to do your chest. And I like to make sure like I'm not ODing on like harsh products, because my skin is very sensitive. So now that my makeup done, I'm just going in and I'm just taking the glue off of some of my old lashes. I was going to put on a new pair, but honestly, it's not even that deep. The glue that I use, it's not hair glue, so it doesn't leave that black buildup making the lashes all stuck together. Like, they're still pretty. They're still in good condition. So I'm just going to reuse these. Yes, ladies, you can reuse your lashes. Covered in makeup, I'll take some alcohol and clean them, but just make sure you let your lashes dry before you're putting them back on your eyes. Otherwise, they will burn. I'm sure that's common sense for some people, but common sense ain't too common in this generation, y'all. Okay, this is the glue that I use. I don't use hair glue anymore. I have graduated from that, sweetie. We're giving classy, grown woman, no color eyeshadow, clean girl vibes. We're going to take the glue and put it across the lash line. I don't even know what this is called, but put it on the lash. And I like this little stick because it's like super easy to just apply the glue right on the band. And then I take a little bit and put it on my lash. And this dries clear, so no matter where you place it, once the glue dries, you can't see it. Versus like hair glue, it kind of gives that eyeliner effect. So if you mess up, you kind of have to go over with eyeliner to clean up the glue, which I don't like. So then I take the lash and I let it like dry so it can get tacky and it can actually stick to my lash, my lid. And then usually I just like put the glue on one lash, let it sit, and then while that one is drying, I go ahead and do the same thing, so they both can like, so I'm not just sitting here wasting time, especially if I'm rushing. Make sure you keep your lashes in one spot, because y'all, I have walked away and got up and did all kind of stuff, can't find my lash. It'll be stuck to my hair, stuck to my pants. Focus on the middle of my lash, because once you get it to stick there, it just makes putting the rest of the lash on so much easier. My necklace. So I'll start with the lash where I put glue on first. I'm trying to show y'all, but it's actually hard. So I'll stick the lash. I'm over here talking, the glue actually started drying too fast, so I might have to do this over, but we're gonna see. Sometimes when it dries, you can still move it around, but trying to talk to y'all and do this. So you want to get it as close to the lash line as possible. And then once it's like on there, you can like move it around. You want to put it more so like on the skin, on your skin. Hands are sticky, so it's like sticking to my fingers. As long as you could get it to stick, you can move it around after. But if it's not like placing, see? And then you want to go through with the tweezers and just like push it together on your lash. You're pushing it on there, you want to like glide it, like push and pull at the same time, so that the glue doesn't get completely stuck. So it's like I'm pushing and I'm gliding it, so I'm like push, pull, or push, slide. I don't know. Y'all could see me doing it, so y'all could tell me. And once it's on there, let it dry, because if it's still too sticky, it'll start lifting every time you tweeze it. And honestly, y'all, the old lashes be looking better to me than like the fresh ones. Like after I wear them, then I put them back on, it be giving mink, individual. It's giving individual lash. Okay, that's on. Then I want to go, y'all be careful, because this is where I'll be messing up the mascara. It's either getting on my contact, which gotta throw the whole contact away after mascara get on there. You look up, and this just helps to like blend the lash with your real lashes, because like my lashes low-key still had a little glue on it, so they wasn't even, and this just connects it. And sometimes you might have that like white line from the lash, and then the mascara helps so it doesn't show that little glue band. See, look, from the lash. And then I'll do my bottom lash, but look down and then if you have a little creasing from doing all this other stuff, just go through with like your eyeshadow brush that you use for your concealer and just pat. Like don't smear it, just pat it up and push that concealer back into your under eye. You see that creasing right there? You can't really see it as much, but you just want to pat it. Because you know, when you're doing when you do your makeup and you're making these facial expressions, it gives crease. And then just go through and spray. I really want to do a little contour, but I'm not. Also because I really don't know how, but I like how this looks because it's like I have on makeup but I don't, and it's giving life, it's giving love. But I am going to put on a red lip because this swoop with the red lipstick is my signature, and I don't even have on earrings yet, so period. This is, I believe, yep, Ruby Woo from MAC, favorite. And I usually have the lipstick as well, but y'all, I've been using this from the hair store. It's called Beltine NK Makeup, and it's so good. And like MAC, their lipstick is so thick, like it stays, it stays on all day. I like this little hair store. It was $2 lipstick, and because like when I'm about to eat and if I'm talking, you know how you get the little white stuff on your mouth, it's not hard to like get off. You can just wipe this off and like apply more, versus when I wear my MAC lipstick and I have to like wipe the lipstick off, then I have lipstick all over my face, and I just hate it. Do feel like the cheap lipstick is easier to like get off. Do that, do my liner. And it feels good. Like, I don't like when the lipstick feels dry and then your lips are dry, so then you feel like you gotta lick your lips or do something. The lipstick applies smoothly. No, this is smooth. This is moisturizing. And there we have it. I'm trying to decide if I'm gonna leave this bun in or throw a ponytail on it. Make sure y'all get the lipstick off y'all teeth. That's like so embarrassing. So yeah, I'm gonna throw my earrings on, add my accessories, and then I'll come back with the finished look. Okay, so I have on my earrings, and because we're keeping it simple, I'm just going to add my bracelet. I just thought about it. I'm switching the arm because, okay, I have OCD. I don't mind mixing metals, but I like my metals to be coordinated. So I'm going to put my silver ring on this hand, and I'm going to put my bracelet, and I'm going to put my bracelet on this arm. And I need to be careful so I don't get makeup. And then because we are doing gold on this hand, I'm going to add a gold ring. It's all strategic, I'm telling you. All this stuff be strategic, B. I'm not, look, I'm not even dressed yet. I don't even have my pants on. Wait till y'all see these pants. Cute cargo pants. Simple, never basic, okay? Classy, never basic. And this is the finished look. So let me know if y'all like this get ready with me. Okay, y'all, that concludes this video. Thank you for checking in with me. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, whatever you choose. And yeah, I'll see y'all next time. And shout out to Ana Luisa for sponsoring this video. I love my jewelry. Thank you. Hey, welcome to my channel.